this is the person that you want to bring. This person will reignite them, resuscitate in some ways, and just reinvigorate them for the role that they have in the job.
So people who feel great don't just say good morning. They say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Great? Yeah, great. I'm great. I'm great every morning. Don't get me started on that.
And I wanted to make sure I let them know I hadn't talked to you. You didn't come from out of my back pocket or my list of resources. You were actually a recommendation from someone else. So I was a little hesitant, but it feels great. I'm so glad that I took that risk.
I'm looking for a particular word because somebody screaming out, to me, they matter. Because when you realize that your position and your impact matters, it all pours into this word, I care.
I mean, he really did his homework. He read the mission and vision, he read the goals, and he included it in his presentation. It didn't feel butchered. It felt like it was a natural part of who he was and what he was doing.
By taking intentional, if this word wasn't here, this wouldn't be the same.
Right.
Intentional.